Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wang Ling. I'm the Sales Director of CHINT Middle East. It's really my great honor to have such a big seminar to our engineers from SEC. And our team in China and in Saudi Arabia is ready to give any kind of assistance to this seminar. Firstly, let me give the schedule again of our seminar. Firstly, we'll give a show of our CHINT Group. That is the opening speech of our CEO and President of CHINT Global, Mr. Li Zhang, because our top management also very serious to this seminar. After that is a brief introduction about CHINT Group, because maybe some of our engineers do not very familiar with that. Then is the ACB presentation by Product Manager of CHINT West Asia and Africa, Mr. Victor. After that, we have a 15 minutes break. Then we will give some videos of CHINT to you. Then is the production line and the factory tour. Then you can check our manufacturing machine and testing machine more carefully in details. Then is the ACB assembly and the demonstration, also by Mr. Victor, our product manager. And the last section is the question and answer. And our team is ready here to give the answer to any kind of question you care. So I hope by this seminar that you can know more about CHINT product and CHINT company. Thank you very much. So firstly, let's start from the video of CHINT Group, please.
The world has been embracing a new era of scientific revolution and industrial innovation. Intelligent manufacturing grows to be the core subject amid the wave. CHINT is therefore actively implementing a machine substitution project to grasp the opportunity, promoting the deep integration of industrialization and informationization, while exploring a fresh new mode of green, efficient and intelligent manufacturing by creating digital workshops. In 2014, CHINT Intelligent Manufacturing was listed as one of the corporation's 3 major development strategies, i.e. in 2015, CHINT took the lead in investing more than 200 million yuan to build 2 digital workshops labeled MCB and AC Contactor. It took 3 years before the process was complete, and the achievement passed the tests of the MIIT, with high scores in 2018. CHINT once again heard the sound of applause from the industry of China's low-voltage electrical apparatus. The digital workshop introduces the integrated automatic welding production line, as well as automatic injection molding production line. While realizing the multifunctional consecutive production, CHINT has developed the first AC contactor and MCB full-process automatic production line with independent intellectual property rights in China, using robotic control, bionic design, 3D vision algorithm, plane flexible precision assembly, and other new technologies to achieve robot automatic feeding, automatic product assembly, automatic detection, automatic packaging, intelligent warehousing to ensure product manufacturing consistency and thus greatly improve product quality and reliability. The digital workshop is built with ERP as the core of the big data platform and workshop-level industrial communication network, which collects and analyzes real-time business data from every substation and explores all the data logic to integrate manufacturing execution, automated logistics, intelligent warehousing, energy efficiency management, and so on into a whole. Besides, it uses Internet of Things application technology to connect manufacturing data and realize the digitalization of the whole value chain. The deep integration and reconstruction of production chain and value chain will ensure an intelligent manufacturing capability with high flexibility and immediate response. Thanks to the digital workshops, we are delighted to see the miracle as the followings. 759 workers reduced. The numerical control rate of key processing steps reaches 100%. The production efficiency increases by more than 300%. The operating cost is cut by 43%. The product development cycle is shortened by 22%. The product design digitalization rate climbs to 100%. Furthermore, we have established an intelligent manufacturing team, which combines production and research to provide an overall solution for the systems and promote the high-quality development of manufacturing. To meet the international competition, corporations must vigorously develop intelligent manufacturing so as to handle new situations. It is the route one must take to promote the manufacturing industry from middle to high end, and thus build a country strong in manufacturing. The digital age is in the ascendant, and the tide of intellectualization is irresistible. CHINT has been on the road to explore the way with continuous innovation to light the future.
Hello everyone, welcome all the participants from online and offline. Thank you very much for SEC provide us such a great opportunity, and welcome to our training section. I'm Lily Zhang, the president of the CHINT Global. You may not know me, but you definitely know our products. See, this is our products. And in the past half years, we delivered almost 500,000 breakers to Saudi Arabia and serve for your country. So today, I'm very happy to see you, all of you. Actually, the cooperation between us, between the CHINT Global and the SEC, not only this half year, but almost 15 years. We've been cooperating for a long time and built a great relationship. And today, for this training session, we will provide not only the products we already deliver, serve for your country, but we also will show you the whole company, let you know how the products be made, and also will introduce some new for you. So it could be interesting and fun. Enjoy your training lessons. See you soon.
Okay, thank you, Lily. Thank you so much. And next step is please allow me to give a brief introduction about CHINT Group, because this is the first time for CHINT give us such big seminar to SEC. Maybe some of our engineers are not very familiar with CHINT, so please allow me to give a very brief introduction about CHINT Group. Yes, please read a second. We are selecting the yes. Okay. Firstly, about us. Who is CHINT? And CHINT is a globalization company in China. And our products already sold to more than 140 countries. And we have more than 30 overseas subsidiaries and local manufacturing bases. And for our production capacity, we can see we are the biggest one in Asia, in the whole Asia. For example, for MCB, our production capacity is 2.7 million poles per day. And for MCCB, it's 7,000 pieces per day. And for ACB, it's 500 pieces per day. Later on, you can check our production line to get more details. And at the same time, we are also one-stop solution provider. And we can provide a solution for solar, wind, and all kinds of renewable industry and different industry like oil and gas, chemical, almost all of them. And for renewable industry, we already finished the 4 gigawatt photovoltaic power stations. And how big is CHINT? CHINT has more than 30,000 workers, and our revenue in 2020 is $13 billion US, and we are the top 50 Asian listed companies. And for R&D, we have 3 R&D centers, which located in China, Europe, and America. Every year, 5% of CHINT revenue was invested to the R&D section. Yeah, this is the whole picture of CHINT Global. We have 5 bases in the whole world. In our region, it's CHINT West Asia and Africa. Our regional center located in Dubai, which cover the whole Africa and the whole Middle East. Yeah, these are some utilities we worked together in the whole world. You can see some of them from Tanzania, Italy, Pakistan, many countries. And at the same time, CHINT is also expanding our manufacture to different countries. Right now for CHINT Global, we have 6 factories out of China. One of them in Thailand, it's a solar panel factory. And Sunlight in Singapore, this factory was bought by CHINT 5 years ago. Right now it's 100% belongs to CHINT. It's a famous panel builder in Singapore. And also in Vietnam, in Malaysia, and in Egypt, it's also a panel builder factory. In Egypt, we have 2 right now in Egypt. And also in Algeria, we have a production line for the MCB and MCCB. And this is also CHINT's strategy to expand our manufacture to out of China, to help the local partners to build up the local production line. At the same time, CHINT is also a corporate social responsibility. CHINT factory already got a lot of international certificates. We can see the garden factory and the environmental protection and the environment friendly. What CHINT can provide? Actually, CHINT can provide almost all equipments from low voltage to medium voltage to high voltage. What we can see from generation to transmission to distribution, from low voltage to up to 750 kV. You can see we can provide power transformer, reactor, cable, prefabricated substation, monitoring system, AIS, GIS, and MV switchgear, capacitor, VCB, and low voltage. Low voltage actually is our most strong item from MCB to MCCB, ACB. CHINT started from low voltage actually. And also meters. In recent years, we got a lot of big tenders in different countries for smart meter, especially maybe everybody is clear that CHINT already participated in the smart meter project in Saudi Arabia. And on renewable sector, we also can provide a one-stop solution from the photovoltaic panel to inverter to combined box to cable to everything. Yeah, these are some reference of CHINT in the utilities. We value our customers' needs. Actually, we just selected some reference for the utilities. We also have many reference for the renewable energy, for the other industries, but we didn't show in this PPT. We just select the part of the utility part. This is some reference from Sweden. And this from Kuwait. Actually, in Kuwait, we did really good job there. And our power transformer, our GIS was supplied to their utility and the petrochemical company, which we have a very good share in Kuwait. Right now, the project is still going on, and we constantly won a lot of new tenders from Kuwait market. Some projects from Tajikistan, Albania, and Korea smart meter. This is also a market which we already developed for many years, and even last year we won a big tender from South Korea for a smart meter. Tajikistan, and Japan. This is the Saudi ECB project. I think maybe our engineers is familiar with that. Even now, our our local team is based on Riyadh and different areas to provide the local service to this project to guarantee our ECB can run correctly and securely. This is from Iraq Kurdistan. And we also have big projects there. It's for the Kurdistan Ministry of Electricity. We supply the low voltage equipments to their power network, also the smart meter system. There's some reference in Peru, South in Latin America. Why choose CHINT? Firstly, CHINT is a reliable and high performance company. Actually, we already got many certificates you can see. And we standardized the management system, systemized the quality control measures, strict testing procedures, and we get certificates from ISO, OSAS, and its world-class suppliers and partners. Actually, our products are, especially for the low voltage part, our low voltage equipments almost got all the certificates from the international labs, like TEMA, DECRA, Jersey, almost all of them. In Middle East, for example, in UAE, besides that, we also got the ADQCC from the Abu Dhabi and from DIVA, from Dubai. So in Middle East, we also have got a lot of local certificates. And at the same time, we have upstream and downstream R&D system. As I introduced, every year, 5% of our revenue was invested to the R&D side. And technology leads to quality and reliability. When you visit our production line, you can see there are many automatic production line and robot hand to operate the products. Yeah, these are the certificates which I mentioned. For example, for NB1, it's just a one MCB of CHINT. We already got 130 certificates. Because we expect that famous certificates, we also get a lot of local certificates from different countries. So our products is really very reliable. Yeah, this is our warehouse, automatic warehouse. Later on, you can visit it on site. And for CHINT policy, we also expand our logistics centers out of China. For example, in Dubai, last year, we already started our Dubai warehouse. And on the same time, we also have planned to expand it to Saudi Arabia and other countries. So all of them is under plan. Yeah, this is our manufacturing out of China. We also have a good big plan for Saudi Arabia, and it's under feasibility study. And we are going to assemble the low voltage equipments and other chain equipments in Saudi Arabia. Okay, thank you very much. This is just a brief introduction about CHINT. And now let's invite Mr. Victor, the product manager of CHINT West Asia and Africa, to give a presentation of CHINT ACB. Please.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Wang. And good morning, everyone. This is Victor. From this presentation, you can get some information. This information can help you in your work, in your job. Okay, let's start for me presentation. Okay. Wait for a moment. Okay, yes. The presentation means now all the ACB will focus on NXA. This is our next series. We call it the next reliable choice. Okay, first page. Yes, let me introduce myself. Yes, my name is Victor. You can. This is my emails. You can go out in the screen. If you have any questions about ACB or other products for CHINT, you can email to me or you can call me. This is my mobile phone and WeChat, WhatsApp. Yes, online for you. Okay, I think most of engineers will know ACB. Where is our ACB? Because in this picture, yes, it's from the transformer to us MDB, yeah, like see, MDB main distribution box. Yes, mostly we will put ACB inside or CCB. In CHINT, we have three kinds, more than three kinds of ACB. First is NXA, then NA1 or NA8, like this one, and MCCB for the SMDB, and for the final DB for the MDR products. Okay, this is the picture for NXA. You can see this is our product. Even here in this meeting room, I think someone saw this product in this meeting room. Yeah, for this one, for the NXA, the rated current from 400 to 6,300, but this is not limited. For us, in CHINT group, we had another ACD, we call NA8. Now the rated current up to 7,500 amperes. This is the maximum in the world. Yes, also ICU, ICW, yes, this is all the parameters. One by one, someone asked, okay, we call the NXA, the next series. What is their value, its values? You can see the screen. Firstly, safety and reliability, because we did more than 7,000 reliable tests to ensure our product reliability and safe for our customers. Even someone asked, okay, in Saudi, maybe it's the temperature is higher. Okay, no problem for all the products. Environmental adaptabilities from -35 centigrade to 70. Yes, this is normal. If you say, okay, I need more, okay, we can discuss. But for the normal, in this range, 70 centigrade, no problem. We can use our products. Also, the third one, we have complete accessories, clothes, shutter release, motors, everything. So you can put inside, buy the accessories, put inside. Yes, complete. Even the fourth part is digital, because now in our world, everyone uses smartphone, scan the QR code. Yes, if you go to the product, you will find the QR code on the product. You can use your smartphone to scan it. You can get some information. Who did it? When we manufacture in our factory. Even, okay, I need a catalog, e-catalog, no problem. You can download from the internet. Yeah, this is digital experience. Okay, now I just show you one light torch for us, longer. What it means for endurance for the electrical and mechanical. Now we include it. Yes, for second, I just give you one verse. All our products for NXA next series, we got the KMA full range. We got the KMA certificate several years ago. We got the certificate. Yes, it can ensure, it can make sure our product for the longer endurance, mechanical and electrical included. Yes, okay. Maybe someone is not familiar for our product. Don't worry. Firstly, this page. No need that everyone to remember it, but I hope you can see it. First view, okay. NSA, yes, this is the type name, and we had the frame size. We had N, H, S, H. We had several. We have three kinds of the braking capacity, or rated current, and the controllers. So many things for you to change it for the choosing. But don't worry. First, I give you the brief. Firstly, for the NXA next series ACB, we have 6 kinds of frame size. 6 kinds and the 3 kinds of the rating. 3 levels of rating capacity. Like this one, for 3 kinds or 3 levels of rating capacity. What means? We have N type, S type, H type for the 1 frame size. 1 frame size, we have 3 choices. According to your requirements, you have 3 choices. Yes, what's the difference? You can see all the catalog. Okay, ICU different, ICS different. But it means H is higher, S is standard, N is for normal, this is for the ICU, ICS, and ICW. But here, I give you the one thing, ICW 3 seconds. Each our product, we have 3 seconds, but here we will more put inside 3 seconds. Okay, we have 4 kinds of the controllers. It means for the controller, intelligent controller, we have M type, A type, P type, and H type. What's the difference? Yeah, you can see the tables. Firstly, for M is the normal, is the LSIG for the current protection. A type is on the M type is base, and plus the current indicates like this one. And P type, okay, from the more than A type, like put the USB interface and the bus bar temperature measurement. And H type is communication port, communication type, and with some harmonic protection. Yes, from M, A, P, H. Okay. Now is a very small videos you can see. Okay, this video just show you inside. We have the temperature sensors in the bus bar. In this bus bar, you can show, we will detect the temperature of the bus bar. Next page, next page. Okay, wait a moment because some technical problems. Yes, wait for a moment, sorry. And we will show you after this one, the temperature sensors, because in the controller, like in the controller, here in the product, we have the controllers. In the controller here, in this controller part, they will show you what's the temperature inside for the bus bar. Here, because just the P type or H type have this function. For P type and H type, we have the square for the LCD square. In this square, you will say, oh, what's the A bus bar, B bus bar, C bus bar for the temperatures. Yes, but my friend, for the temperature, for the P type temperature sensor, just applied for the P or H controllers, not for the H controllers. Yes. So it's very safety for the person can monitor the controllers, monitor the temperatures. Yeah. Okay. Now it's okay. We will go back to the presentation. Okay. Next. Okay, so after the controllers, now in all the selections, now we have the joinable type and fixed type. I think most of you know, okay, this is our joinable type. So first page, in the joinable type, yes, we have a 3 position indicator: disconnect, test, and connected. It means I just explained for test. What's a test? Test position means the main part is disconnected, but the control welding part is connected. You can test close, and open circuit, even the motors. Yeah, you can test. This is for the test position. Okay, the bottom part is the fixed type. Yes, your body with 2 plates, left and right plate. Yeah, this is for the joinable and fixed type. Okay, this is appearance and construct inside. Yeah, you can see, open the covers. If you open the covers, you will see the motor operating, short release, closed magnetic, and arc chambers inside. Don't worry, after this presentation, we will visit our workshop. We will see each accessories. We can see how to inside installation and take out, and how to test it to make sure our safety and reliability. Yeah, for this one, this is our accessories. Yes, in the front side, there are so many things: auxiliary contactor and mechanical and CC. CC means closed magnetics and closed coils and ST. Yes, so many. This is our accessories. Oh, you can see. If like this one, we open the body and open the covers inside. From this explore the pictures, you can see it clearly. Yeah, okay. Next, this is for the accessories, for the mechanical accessories. What's the mechanical accessories? This one. For the interlock, mechanical interlock, someone for the MI, for the cable MI, for the lock MI, or for the load MI. Yeah, this is three kinds of the mechanical. Also, we have the controller. This controller is just for the one ACB in 2 or 2 ACB in 3. Yes, we have this controller, automatically controls. Also, okay, after the accessories, I think someone is focused on the in the M controller or A controller, we say the LSIG. What this means? Yeah, this is very useful for the ACB. Like MCCB, we call it LI, long time, and instantaneous. For the LSIG, yes, here is basic for the current protection. L is long time, S is for short time, and I is for instantaneous. G is for the grounding. One by one. Firstly, I will introduce for L. L for the long time delay. In the chip curve, in the ACB chip curve, in this side, in the red circle, in this part is called long time chip. Yes, and so I will do you, my friend, you can remember this formula. I square T equals C, constant from C. Yeah, this is I square T is equals C. And use this formula, if you know 1.5 time, and you can work out 2 or 3 or 4. Like this one, use this formula, 1.5 is 15 seconds. And use this formula, you can work out 2IR. Yes, you can see this one. Also, it's okay for 3, 4, 5. But remember, but need less than ISD, but more than 1.3 IR. Like this one. In this range, you can use this formula. Also, for the S, for S is more complete than RL. It means because for the S, we have some inverse and definite. We have 2 types. You can choose by yourself, by our customer, using it or I need inverse or the fixed time. Fixed time. Yes. Even you want the breakers, you can set by yourself. Inverse and definite and use it. Okay, this is for the S, for the short circuit protection. Even the instantaneous. In the chip code, in this areas, in this red circles, this is for the instantaneous. Instantaneous. Also for the grounding. For the grounding, it means single phase, like A phase, B phase, or C phase, connected to the ground. Connected to the ground, like this one. So I just will show you if you need a grounding protection. I think mostly in most occasion, we don't need the grounding protection. But sometimes, if the grounding system is not good, is not very good, so we need this grounding protection. But remember, if the breaker is 3-pole, please plus to the N CT. If you need the grounding protection and the breaker is 3-pole, please remember you need plus to the neutral CT. like the middle joints, like this one. Put the CT on the neutral face. But for the 4 posts, no problem. Because inside, in breaker, inside we have the CT inside. This is the grounding protection. Yes, after the LSIG for the current protection, now someone want to focus on how to installation it. Yes, you can choose 3. On the plate, this is a normal use. I think most one, sometimes you choose the plate mountains for the installation. Or the second, on the rails, put the ACB on the rails. The third one, I think less of the customer will use this one. It means on the vertical bracket, on vertical plate. Yeah, this one. Here, I just give you the information like this one. If you use the rails, please from the left to right, not from the top to bottom like this one. From the front to the back. This is wrong. But if you choose the rail from the left to right, yes, this is installation. Also for the connection for the bus bar and for the cable. If you use the connector to the bus bar, yes, most engineer, I think all the engineer need to know, okay, the bus bar, the strength, the faster strength, not put the force on the terminal. We need the force, the heat, or the force for bus bar need fastened on our plate, not on the bus terminals. This is the mean. Like this one, this is wrong because the bus bar is put on the heat on the terminal directly. Yeah, this is wrong. Also for bus bar, because more than 1,000 or 2,000, we need 2 pieces, 3 pieces, even 4 pieces of bus bar. Do you remember like this one? 2 pieces, we need to put the bus bar between 2 pieces bus bar, or 3 bus bar like this one, 2 and 3, 3 pieces. Yes, like this one for the bus bar. Okay, for the cable, yeah, it's same. We need fasten the cable and fasten the cable connect bus bar. Yes, this is our ACB connection. Also, how to work our ACB, like closing, how to. Firstly, I think the motor operation and manual operation. But first, we need charging, we need to charge. We need to charge the motors. Firstly, charging engine drives. Put it means the manual charge or use the motors. After this one, close coils. Send the signal to them or manual. If this one, the ACB gets the motor is charging and we got the signals. Now the breaker will connect, will set, connected, will close. And also, but for the opening, for the disconnected, this is we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Firstly, the manual, we touch the off button. Second, undervoltage coil. The third is short coils. But the third one is most important for the ACB. This means controller operation. Because the controller inside we have the CT detecting the current. If the current more than setting, like I setting 1,000 amperes, but now the current, real current is more than 1,000, like 2,000 amperes. Okay, the controller will work out. Okay, send the signal to the chip unit, and the chip unit, like the operator, will disconnect the ACB. This is the working principles for the ACB. Like this one, after this, for some engineer, for design engineer, I will show you for our ACB. We have a very useful function, but mostly maybe several persons use it. But I suggest you to use it. This function called load monitor. Yeah, the load monitor we used to apply for our H-type and the P-type ACB. Like this one, now I said I earn 2,000 ampere, and we said IC1, IC2 in the IE breakers, in the top breakers, we will setting IC1 and IC2. Like this one, if the real current goes to 1.2 IC1 equals 1920 ampere, the A breaker will disconnect, will shut off automatically. This means A is the load of A breakers is not very, very useful. So if the top breaker now the current is very high, is near the rated current, okay, chip the A breakers. Like the slow, the A breakers load. Like this is the A for the load monitor. And the second, if the current for the IE, for the current, it goes down to 0.6 equal 1200, A breaker will be connect automatically. It means this is a load monitor from the top breakers. It can close A, shut off the A and close the A automatically. This is a load monitor. Also, for the load monitor is for the two breakers, not one breakers. It's same. This is the setting, and here is if the current rise and when the current reaches to this one, the A breaker will be disconnected automatically. It means in the top breaker, they can send the signal to A and the signal to B. If for the top breakers, the current is higher. Okay, they say A load, B load. A load is like a least is the unused like this one. So slow A load first. But if after the slow A load, the current is even more, is very high. So they will slow B breakers load. It means AB load, so the load from the A breaker and B breaker is less useful than the left one. We will make sure the left one's load is have the powers. This is a load monitor. Even maybe someone will heard some things, selectivity for the breakers. Okay, for the ACB, for top one, second level, or third level, we had 3 levels, the maximum 3 levels. We had a ZSI, yes, called ZSI. The top one send the signal, if like this one. Now, the second level is like this one. In this part, we had some fault, short current, like this one. Okay. Now, the Q2 breaker will send the signal, the control signal for the communication signals to the Q1 from the red line. From the red line, they will send the signal to the Q1. Okay, the Q1 will receive the signal, receive the message. Okay, now the fault point is under the Q2. So is Q2 ability. Let Q2 breaker chip first. And the Q1 will wait the signal of several more than 0.4 seconds. Let Q2 chip first. This is the ZSI function 1. Even like this one, if the fault point is here, I think Q2 it doesn't have any signal because the fault is up in its upside. So Q1 haven't received any message. So Q1 will chip immediately. Yeah, this is called ZSI. Very useful for the selectivity. Yes, now for our design, selectivity is used more and more widely. Yes, this is one kind of ACB selectivity. Also for the second wireless, like someone, okay, 28, 29 for the closing, 30, 30, 31. This is terminal numbers is for this one. Yes, you can see the terminal, the second control terminal in the right side, in the right top side. You can see this is our terminal. Even someone we use the H type. This is communication type. We will put the ST-DT. This is communication port. Or even we have some power relay, and this is control relay. Like this one, if you Modbus, because for other breakers, we use the Modbus. And the port, the standard port is IS485, and the port number is 10 and 11. This is just for the remote signals and the remote measures. Or even you need a control, okay, you need to put the control part. And someone, okay, I need the Profibus, not Modbus. Yes, you can choose ST-DP, and the port is RS232. Yes, this is communication. Okay, this is our secondary wiring for ACB and for our NXA. So this is ACB for NXA for the secondary installation in our workshop. Later, after this presentation, we will go to the workshop on site to see how to installation our ACB, and after the installation, how to test our product to make sure our product's reliability. Yes. Oh, okay. After this one, because our ACB more than 30, the history of our ACB more than 30 years. And for the next series, more than 7 years. More than 7 years. So this is our reference for others for Chile. Yeah, this is 2070 years. This is our breaker. Yes, on the picture, yeah, these are breakers. Also, we are the reference in the Hilton hotels. We will put our ACB, or MCCB, MCB, or RCCB like this one. Most of this product is manufactured by CHINT, yes, and delivered to them, or even we have the cooperation with the local switchgear factories. Yeah, this is the reference in Uganda for the Hilton hotels. Even we have in Russia, yeah, in Russia or in other countries, in the European countries. Yes, in the Indonesia. Yeah, we have put big, very big buildings. Yeah, put the ACB, MCCB, and MCBs. So next, last 2 pages means change. This because the next day from change, we call the next series. In this big project, we got the totally investment, and we have the R&D person to work out this project. Even we did more than 7,000 reliable tests, and we got this one, patents. Yes, more than 300, near 400, we got this one. So all our customers, yes, please remember, CHINT, we use the next series. This is our next reliable choice. We hope you can, from this choice, yes, get your reliabilities. Okay, thank you. This is for my presentation for the NXA. Hope it's useful for you. Yeah, thank you. Swan.
Thank you, Victor. Thank you very much, and thanks for the presentation of Victor. Because Victor gave a lot of information in the presentation. I don't know if it's clear to all of you. Maybe my colleague Balid, the sales director of CHINT Saudi office, can help me to check with all the engineers if it is clear to them. Balid, can you speak in Arabic language?
السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم اخواننا، كيف الصحة؟ تمام. اليوم كنا عرضنا عليكم البرزنتيشن وتضمنت انترودكشن عن الشنت، ورجعنا عملنا انترودكشن عن الاي سي بي اللي هو هو القاطع الهوائي اللي حيستعمل باليونت سب ستيشن والاي سي بي بانل تحت 37 اس دي ام اس 04. والحين حنعمل لكم جوله بالمصنع على كيفيه التصنيع والتجميع والتستنج، وبنهايه المطاف حنعطيكم سامبل نعمل تريننج عليها كيف يتم صيانتها والانستليشن تبع الاجزاء الداخليه، وبعدين عندنا فتره الاسئله. بس بالاضافه لهيدي اذا حدا عنده اي استفسار اي سؤال ممكن يتفضل يسالنا اياه الحين.
Okay. Thank you, Walid. I think maybe our engineers have many questions, and maybe you can write it down in the platform, or later on we have a question and answer section. During that time you can.
واخواننا اذا كان في اي سؤال ممكن تكتبوا لنا اياه على الحين حابين تسالوه، ممكن تكتبوا لنا اياه على الشات وحيتم الاجابه عليه فورا. وشكرا مره اخرى لحضوركم.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Walid. And we will collect all the questions, and later on in the Q&A section, we will give the answer. And also you can ask the new questions in that part. Okay, thank you very much. And right now, let's have another video it's the break time. So let's have another video. And before that, we have another speech from our president, as I think. So let's give the play of the videos.
Now, in these areas, we will have a small exhibition hall for the ACB. You can see this one, big one, and the middle and the small one. Even we have another type, another kind of the ACB, we named as NA1. This one. Yes, this area is just to show you. We have some breakers, big one and smaller one. Okay, you can see this load. Yes, this load, all the employee, all the worker will go from this one, go this road, and you can see in this road we had some board to show you, and some other employee will learning from this board, like this one. This is a reference like this one. More products and system service for clean energy, like the reliable, like the wind and for the solars. We can use the breaker or the A1, another kind of the product. Even NXA, we use it for reliability for the wind. Yes, this one. Second, I think this is the more
周公，你的麦关了。
okay. Okay, like this one. You can use this picture. It's okay. You can now. It's okay. Yes. Use this one, the breaker with IoT communications. Yeah. So from this load, all the breaker, all the employee, all the worker can work, can learning from this load. Even this one, ZSI. You can see in my presentation, we had a ZSI protection put here. All the workers learning each day. Yes, selectivity. Also, in my presentation, we had the M-type, H-type, A-type, P-type. Yes, put here. Let our breaker, our customer, our employee to see it, to know it. Even this one, like this one, to show them. Yes, one by one. We have several boards. I think more than 10 boards is here. Yeah. This load, learning, we call it learning load. Yeah. Okay, come here. Yeah, you can see. You can see this. Are you? Okay, because we had some electrical car, cart, smaller cart to deliver some goods. Because here is our warehouse, low materials warehouse, and delivers some things, delivers the goods from here. This smaller door with the electrical car, like this one. Now you come back because put the goods there and deliver this shell back to the warehouse. You can see electricity without any control. Yeah, come here. This is finished, the goods on their shelf. And also this one. Yeah. Okay. After this various test areas to test all the materials, even we had this one. This is a 3D joint, 3D detector joints. We put some frame or put something on the tables, and they can detect the overviews and give the 3D joints to the PC. Yes. Okay, like this one, you can see the chart. Yeah, put it here. In this chart, yeah, deliver the goods from the warehouse to our assembling line automatically. No need a person to carry it to save all the labors. You can see now we will deliver the goods to our assembly line. Even you can see here, because the truck is a little slowly. Yeah, you can see. Now, this is our workshop for the ACB. Yeah, this is for the overview. Also, now the cart will go inside, and you can see we have the robot hand like this one. Robot. Now the goods in the right position. Now you can see the robot coming and lift this plate on the right position. Yeah. No person can, no need to intervene. Yes, put on this tables. Yes, it's finished, and you. Okay, and the chair will deliver us automatically. And here. Yes, after put on this rail, you will see the goods will live here and on this part here. Yeah, in this part. And because all the body, all the employee will go inside and outside, so we use the bridge. Yeah, and all the assembly line now put here. They will put here and goes down to the assembly line. This is our assembly line. This is okay. This is a broad cut. It's very useful, like these areas. The red one, it means this is our schedule plan for each day, like 20 days, like this one, February 20. Our plan is this one. This is real product. Yes. For this one, for the 2025, our plan is 168, like this one, 182 and 171. Just to show you each day what's our plan and what's our action. Yeah. Okay. From here to show you. And now you can see personal man to assembling all the products, assembling the contactors, inside the contactors. Yeah, you can see the details here. Okay, you can see because all the system for the magnetic system, we will put here. I will show you one issue. Like this one, I will show you. This is called MES system. Use this scanners, and now we use the QR code. Scan it, all the computer, all the screen will show you. Okay, we got this product for this assembly product, and when manufactured, and what its product suppliers, like this one. Okay, so from here, use this scanner card. So now all the products assembling from here with the date correction. Each date will be inside. Okay. After this one, we will install the operator and the CT, because this CT is for the controller. You can see one by one. Now is in this one, put the operator. This man is now put the operator. Yeah. Okay, after operators, yes, you can see here. After operators, they will put the CT. You can see. put the CT. Because for 3 poles, we had 3 CT inside. It detects the A phase, B phase, and C phase current, and gives this signal to the controllers, intelligent controllers. Yeah. After the CT, after installation, the CT. Yes. Now we go to the next step. This step, the person now is put our intelligent controller. Yeah, he is put in the intelligent controller and connect the wirelings, because for the controller, many wirelings for the after the controller fixed installation, after this one, now we need one thing to test the chip force, because chip force is very important. You can see here. They will test more than test 10 times on off. They just and then let them to chip, let it chip, and record the force of chip, Now the chip is limited. The range is 4, and the minimum is 4, maximum is 9. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is test the chip force. Okay. After this one, yes, you can see. You can see. Okay. After this test, you can see it's delivered automatically here. Then, yeah, this man will put this one for the auxiliary contact. Auxiliary. Yeah. Okay. Put the auxiliary and here for the closed magnetic shunt release and the voltage, and connected to the secondary control, connection part. Yeah. After accessory finished, sometimes we will go the middle line, for the middle line to there. Okay, in that box, we will have the CCD. Take the photo to check. Take the photo to check everyone. So for the accessory is finished or not. After CCD test, this one, the box is CCD test. After CCD test, the body is finished, and we'll use the robot. This is that robot, ABB robot here. We will lift to the body to base, because the base is there. Yeah, you can see now they go there to the CCD, take the photo to check the accessories. Is okay. Okay. After the body insert the base, now they go back, and now to test it, test on off, test the current. Now we have the 2 lines, because the quantity is very huge. We have the 2 lines. 1 line, we have the 2 sets of the testing machine. Yes, we just see the one set is enough. The 2 sets is totally same. You can see here. Now from there, go inside to test. Now is go inside to test. Now is the inspection test is start. Yeah, okay. You can see what's this tester machine. This tester machine After this one, we had the dielectric test, high voltage test, high voltage test, high voltage test. This is high voltage test. High voltage test. The voltage is near 2550 volts. This is a high voltage test. Also, after this one, high voltage test. Yeah. After high voltage test, now is a current test because we had LSI. How to test? Use this machine to test the long time, short time, and incidental time. Use it to test. This is a huge current test. Yeah, use this one, huge current test. Okay. Having finished this one, now the last test is for the accessories, on-off motor and auxiliary test. Use this one in this machine to test the accessories. Okay. So now finish the test. This machine. Okay, this is just the control machine. Okay, control each test. Now you can see this side. Yeah, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 voltage, current, and auxiliary accessories. Now go out. Now we'll go out to this man. Yeah, please. Yeah, this man. Go to this position. It means now everything is okay. We will put the covers. And put the cover in this machine. You can see this machine. In this machine, you use the laser to printing the name plate. To print the name plate. Okay. After the painting, okay, you can come here. You can see the next step is for the packaging. Yeah, this man put the accessories, put the catalog, put the fixed ball. Yeah. Just one person is enough because we use the motor. Okay. Okay, put the face. Okay, they will put it inside. The last one for the assembly, put all the breaker on the wood package. Okay, like this one, we use another Robert hand. Robert here. Come here, you can see clearly. Yeah, they use this cotton, leave it, and put it on the right position. Yeah, from this machine, no need a person to lift all the breakers because for ACB, it's sometimes very heavy. Okay. And sorry, we can't go inside. Okay, you can see, lift the breakers to the cotton. Yeah. The robot we can select the right position. Okay. Yes, okay. After this package, now all the goods will go to the warehouse. Okay, you can see another electrical car to lift this package, wood package. No need a person. Yeah, okay. After assembling, we will go to the warehouse, sterile warehouse here, because finished and the store here. We need storing the product here. And also this storage warehouse, we controlled by the computers. No persons to management these systems. Okay, you can see. Yeah, very huge. Not just for ACB, some MCCB in the bottom is for the MCCB. Yeah, this is a warehouse. Okay, after the warehouse, I think someone will ask, okay, after assembling, how to make sure the product is reliability? Don't worry, now we have all the test lab. Come here, we had a test lab. Yeah, we had the standard test lab is here in these areas. We will choose all the breakers. We will choose all. Yes, you can close to set videos. Yeah, this is our tester lab. Yeah, we had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 positions. Yes, 4 positions to test. And the current, maximum current up to 6300 amperes. Okay, you can see now it's under testing. It is under testing for the standard, for according to IEC standards, 1.05 and 1.3, 2 ions, 2 ion non-chip and within 2 ions chip. Also in these areas, you can test it by the temperature rise test. Yes, it's same, we can put inside. Yes. This is our test lab. Okay. Also, I think for me, it's same. As an engineer, I think intelligent controller is most important for the AC because it's our brain for the humans. Don't worry, our controller is manufactured by our side, our company. This areas is for the aging room, for controllers. Yes, we will put inside a high temperature, low temperature. We change the temperatures. Okay. Okay, where is our controllers workshop? Is here. This is our intelligent workshop, intelligent controller workshop. Yeah, from this side is clear. Yeah, this is a machine for the controller testing machine. And sorry, today is Sunday. In China, is no working, is weekend. So in these areas, now is no working. But tomorrow, I think totally different. Yes, this one, testing for the PCB board. And also you can see this machine. You can see this machine. This machine is oil protection oils. Put the oils on the PCB board to improve the protection levels of the PCB board. Yeah, because PCB board is very important for the controllers. And sorry, this is the finished product. This is because for the controller assembly line is from that side. From that side, this is a stand. This is the finished part. This is finished part. So for the oil protection is the finished part. Yes, we need to change our views. Like this is finished product, and put the oils, put the protection oils. Also, you can see here. I will show you this machine because inside is static. We can't go inside because inside static and some dusty without any dusty. Okay, this machine to test the PCB board with electricity and some signals. Yeah. Even to test, we use a robot to take out and put on another place. Use the robot. Yeah. Okay. For this one, this machine because now this is up backside. This machine is for the PCB, for SMT winding machines. This is winding machines. Also, this work tables. This work table is for SMT. Put some parts on the PCB board, compactors or other things for resistors. Put on here, one by one. So this is a stand for the PC board and SMT and welding and testing and put the oils, put the protection oils. Yes, you can see the video. Yes, this is the final. From here, from this side to that side. Yeah, this is our SMT for the PCB board for the intelligent controllers. Yeah, intelligent controller. Also, this is the components for the PCB components warehouse. Also, inside is without any dust and keep the temperature stable. Yeah, because this is very important for the PCB, for the components. Yeah, you can see this is all the components for the SMT. Yeah. Also, yes, now this is finished all the visiting for the assembly line for the all products and controllers. I think you can get the brief idea from all the products. I just give you one issues. Before, we didn't have any automatic line. So this areas, more than 300 employees, workers. But now, after the assembly line, after this automatic assembly line, now all the person have near 150 persons, totally enough, including the officers. Okay, this is our ACB factory from production for assembly product testing and warehouse, also for the controllers. Yeah, thank you. Now we will go to the meeting room again, and we can sit together to see if you had any questions. We can talk together. Even we called some engineer from the factory to answer you. Yeah, any questions for the ACB? Okay. Okay, thank you. See you later. 5 minutes later, we will go to the meeting room. Okay.
Okay, welcome back, Victor.
Okay,
Welcome back.
thank you.
Okay, so I think after this tour, maybe our engineer friends already know more about CHINT factory and our equipments. Yeah. And today we're also very happy to invite the general manager of our factory, Mr. Ma. Yeah. Okay, please. Yeah, Mr. Ma is the general manager of our factory, and he also bring his team here. And now his team will assist us to do the assembly and the demonstration of this ACB. Yeah. So,
Wait for a moment. The engineer is coming. Oh, over here. Sorry, here. We can start because I think someone will know it. Now we open this cover to see inside clearly, and we will take out each accessories and put it again to show you it's easily or not, like for you, give you some ideas. Okay, please, Miss One, yeah, please. This moment, we will take some tools. Okay, I will just show you. Firstly, I think remove this one because this is joinable type. We need to remove the body from the base. Use this handles. Yes, please. Use this handle. Use this handle to take out like this one and anti-clockwise. Yes, the body will come out. Yes, please. And this one, use this handles, you can take out the body. Okay. We will take out. We will take out. Oh, it's heavy. We can put it here. Yes, this is our body, and this is the base. Yeah, now we will choose this one. Yeah, the body is here. We will take out this cover first because accessory is inside. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. You can see. 1, 2, here. Don't forget. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screw. Okay. Okay. Okay, don't worry. Let's use this one. Okay, you can remove this cover first. You can see inside. Okay, we'll put it here. Okay. Firstly, I think mostly take out this control, secondary control terminal. Yes, the screw is here. The screw, we had 2 screws. 1, 2. Okay, we have another camera, so you'll see clearly. Yes. Okay, wait for a moment. We will change the camera. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Now remove this secondary control. Okay. Now, yes, some camera here. Just this one. This is a control. CC is a closed magnetic, closed coils. Just 2 screws. 1, 2. Screw loose this one and take out. It's very easy just to take out. Yeah, now it's finished. And we take out control. Take out this one. Okay, the control part you can see the number 32. And another. Yeah. Another is here connected to the converter because this is closed. Yes. You can see the number 31, 32. 32 is okay. 32. Yeah, this is closed. We will put it here first. And second, we will take out the SHT, shunt release. The same, we have 1 and 2 screws. Yes, okay. Yeah, also we take out the control wirings here. And you can see, check the number of the wire. For the number, you can firstly 29 and 30. 30 and okay, this is shunt release. Also, sometimes here, sometimes we have an under virtual release, and sometimes we no need. And for the default setting, default selection, for the NSA without chip under virtual release. But if you need, please tell us. Okay, you need the under virtual release. Under voltage, close and chip. We have 1, 2, 3 holes. Yeah, here. Okay, this is the close. And now go to the third part is the auxiliary contactor. Okay, now you loosen the screw. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Yes. Take out this auxiliary contact. But also, if you need to take out, we need to take out all the control wire here. Here, we need to take out also the numbers. You can see each terminal we have a number. This number is 38, it's 36, like this one. Each wire has a number and take out. Okay. Okay, for the motor, yeah, this here, I'll just show you the accessories. Controller is here. Because for the controller, we is same, just take out loose this screw and this screw. Inside we have a screw and we can take out the controller. Also for the motor, this is a handle motor and operator here. This is the operator, and this is the handle for the manual charger. And this one is the motor, electrical motors. You can see this is the motor for the charging. Okay, now we will take out the motor for you. Okay, you can see. Okay. This is the close, manually closed and chip. Now we will take out the motor. Yeah, also here, one screw, the screw is here. 1 and 2 screw. Okay, we will turn. Yeah, please. The screw, another screw in here. Take this long screw. Okay. Take out. Yes, if you need to take out this motor, and take out this wiring first. Take this wiring first, and you can take out. Or even you say, oh, I need to replace this motor, no problem. Yeah, okay. This is our inside of the accessories. I think in this product, mostly for our company, if the customer say, oh, I need replace by ourselves. Yes, for this one is okay. Like this one, if something long like this one, you can take out and replace it. For the maintenance, it's very easy for us, for our customers. Okay, we need to take out, replace the installation back again. Okay, we will take it back. You can see how to installation. Firstly, for the motor, put on this right position and put this long screw in this hole. In this hole. With this long screw. Long screw. In here. Put it in this hole. Yeah. Then put the nuts. Okay, put the nuts. Yes. Yes, and fasten this screw. Okay, then turn back the ACB and fasten this 2 screws. For the motor, we have 3 screws. Okay, next we will back to the auxiliary. Take it back. For the auxiliary, you can see so it's movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws and here. Just put it here. Yeah, 4 screws. Okay, and now to replace the SHD. The structure is first. Yes, moment. Then it just to say screw this here and put it on this. Yes, please. This one we have the hole, 1 hole, 2 hole. 1 and 2. Yes, put there. Also, next is for close. For closing magnetic. Yeah, this one is also the same. We just have 1, 2 screw, and here you want 2 holes. 1, 2 holes. 1 and 2. Yeah, okay. After the installation, we need connectors or wiring. Okay. Remember the number. Yeah. You can see the number. This is 29 here. You can see. This one. 29, the same. 29, this is 29. Also, you can see the 1, 2, the second level. Okay, here. So this one. Okay. You can see, use the second level, same position. In the left side and right side, same position. And this is 31. Yes, you can see 31 and 31. In the first level, is this one. I think is this code. Yeah. Yes, finished for this one. And also this one, 30, 32, 30, 31. We use the tools. And insert this hole and connect. Yeah, connect. And and clean this furnace. And insert in the hole. And the last part, we will first the control wiring terminal. Yeah, yes. Is this terminal? Yes, really. Is it terminal? Okay, after this one, we will first to the cover. Same. The cover has 4 screws. Okay, come back to. Okay, I remember to show you digital experience. We have a QR code here. Each one you can scan it and get some information for the breakers. Because in the assembly line we have MES, we have some systems. And you can scan this one to get some information, the date from this QR code. Yeah. Also, I think. Just one because for our default breakers without under voltage release, under voltage. So you can if you can charge like this one, charge it and go on and off. But if with the under voltage, please let the power to go through the under voltage release first, then on and off. Okay. Now let's do charge it and on off. Okay, charge it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Near 7. Near 7. On. Because now this breaker without under voltage release, so you can touch on off. But if with under voltage here, sorry, you need to give the power to the under voltage release first. The number is 27 and 28. Give the power first, then on off. Okay. Now this is installation for the accessories. Now back to the base. Yes. Firstly, you need this chill. Take out this chill. Yes. Then. Okay. Oh, it's heavy. Put. Okay. Come here. You can see it's easy. Just put it here. We have some position for the body. Just put it there. And okay. Then pull it. Then pull it. Yes. Now it's connected, but not connected. Use this handles. Use these handles. Clock around, turn. Then you can see this short means connect like this. Now this is very short. Yeah. Okay, you can see the noise because in my side we are seeing gun. This means connected. Or even like this one. I will show you this one. Disconnect, test, and connected. This means connected. We have showing If like this one, I need to take it out. You can see what's the difference. Now this is down, the white position is down, this one. Now is test position. Okay, we will see again. Now I'm connected. You can see the voice done. This means finish. Yes, this is voice because it is weak, but inside on side you will see it clear. Okay, this is finished, so the connected. Okay, and don't worry, don't forget, put these handles on this hole. Okay, this is finished for installation for ACB. Hope it's clear for you. And no problem. If any question, you can contact me. And now we have the Q&A part. Okay.
السلام عليكم اخواننا، الحين العرض خلص. اذا احد عنده اي سؤال او اي استفسار فقط يكبس على الريز هاند او يكتب لنا بالشات، نفتح له الميكروفون مشان السؤال. فاذا في اي سؤال من اي شخص ممكن انه بس تطلبوا منه وبنفتح الميكروفون للشخص وممكن يساله. ايوه اسمي هونك، واللي ما يعرف كيف
Okay. No problem. Any question? Yes. I think
إذا في أي سؤال لو سمحتوا بس ارسلوا لنا وحتى نفتح لكم الميكروفون مشان السؤال.
Okay. Yes. Any questions? Yeah.
Thank you Victor. إخوان هل يوجد أي سؤال أو أي توضيح أو أي استفسار؟
Even my friend, you can take the question or the question bar. We can see it. We can see it. What's the question?
أيوة. Victor, they are asking about the earth leakage protection. Victor, they are asking about the earth leakage protection and sensibility.
With moment not clear.
Leakage protection. Leakage.
Oh, it's leakage. With moment.
Ground fault.
Yes. 我们漏电保护是有 H 型的吗？漏电保护是在。
ما في صوت. There is no sound.
Mr. Walid, can you help me to explain like this one for the ACB? Left under 2000是吧？ Under 2000, under 3200 ampere type, like NXA 60, 16, NXA 20, NXA 32, and but need H-type controllers. H-type controllers, we have this function as liquid functions. But I think mostly is used very slowly. Yeah.
Victor, how much the sensibility for it? How much the sensibility?
Okay, the current is 我们电流是多少 ？Wait a moment.
Can you open the? Can
okay,
you open the
no problem. We will check.
This one. Which one? Wait.
The liquid current, the range is from 5 to 30 amperes, and you can set by yourself. It's okay.
1 minute, he will participate for us to access this.
Sorry. 0.5. 0.5 to 30.
He open it. He open for Hani.
If they are looking. Because there's two guys, this one.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام اخ هاني تفضل.
اتكلم بالعربي ولا ان انجلش؟
ان انجلش ساعتها بيجاوبك وبدك بالعربي مثل ما بدك، بس اذا بدك بالانجلش
طيب،
دغري
أوكي.
فيكتور بيجاوبك.
Okay, welcome for all. We have encountered many problems with main circuit breaker, including earth leakage protection or ground fault when the sensitivity high, especially in loads including harmonic or large percentage of harmonics like computer loads and such like. What is the solution for this problem? Yeah.
Victor, the question is that during the earth fault or earth leakage protection, sometimes in the system there is too much harmonics, which affect the sensibility of the earth leakage. What is your solution for that?
For this one, you mean, Mr. Ali, you mean for the harmonic? You mean the system is for the has some harmonic and how to cut the harmonic. But for all the ACB, each time the harmonic just detected, they can't cut the harmonic.
No, my friend, he's saying that the harmonic in the system, it's affecting the earth fault protection in the control unit. So is there any solution for you to avoid this one?
But
يعني RZR means to distinguishing between harmonics and earth fault.
يعني does your trip
Mr. Walid, I think this question is like this one. You mean in the system it has some harmonic, but you need some solution how to cut the harmonic and how to delay.
No, it's not. It's not how to cut. No, it's not how to cut. Can your trip unit, the control unit, can it distinguish between the harmonic and the earth fault? Yani the harmonic will not affect the earth fault protection or ground fault protection.
But
encounter this problem in data center main circuit breakers.
ليش حولت عليه؟ انت فاهم الاجابه ليش حولت عليه؟
Yeah, لا ما فيش صوت لازم.
Victor, no sound.
No
Victor.
sound.
Mr. Walid, yes, I know it's clear for the question. You mean the system has some harmonic and all ACB, how to protect themselves for the
not to mix up.
No.
Yeah.
RZR means the two distinguishing between harmonics and the force fault. Because we encountered a problem in data center, the earth leakage trip unit or the earth leakage component regarding or considering the harmonics as earth fault.
أخ هاني with respect to our protection unit, the logic control unit, there is built-in differential coils which can be configured to difference between the earth leakage and the type of the harmonics by segregating what's the type of the harmonic, if it is first harmonic, second, third, or fifth harmonic. So there is possibility to distinguish between the earth fault or the ground fault and the type of the harmonic through our control unit. There is two coils called, we call them the two differential coils, where it can distinguish between these two types of currents, let's say, or of sensitivity.
طيب معلش انا افصلها شويه بالعربي. هو الايرث فولت بيعتمد على الفرق ما بين الفيزس مع النيوترال والايرث كوندكتور، تمام؟
ايوه نعم.
في حاله الهارمونكس الزياده بيبقى في فرق يعني.
ايوه نعم، بيعمل ديستربشن.
كابسوليوت فاليو مفيش ايرث فولت، ولكن لما ناخد الهارمونكس معانا وكده اليونت بتاعت الايرث فولت بتعتبره كانه ايرث فولت. المشكله دي قابلتني في كذا مشروع، منها مركز معلومات، منها سنتر. كان الايرث فولت بروتكشن بتاعتنا مايكرولوجيك 6، لما غيرناها لمايكرولوجيك 2 فظبطت. القاطع كان بيفصل على طول. لما شغل الاجهزه اللي عندي القاطع كان بيفصل. لما غيرتها من مايكرولوجيك 6 لمايكرولوجيك 2 السنسيتيفيتي اقل، فالقاطع اشتغل وما كانش بيفصل. فمعنى كده ان الهارمونكس كانت السبب وليس الايرث فولت.
ايوه نعم. اخ هاني، شنايدر هو المايكرولوجيك 6 هي بقواطع شنايدر.
ايوه
نعم. واذا بتلاحظ انه شنايدر تغلب على هذا الموضوع بالقواطع النيو فيرجن تبعهم، فنزلوا مايكرولوجيك جديده، ما عادش في 6A وهيدي. فهيدا المايكرولوجيك ايضا موجود عندنا. بيجي في ملفات حساسه بتعمل تميز بنوع الهارمونيك، اذا كان ايرث فولت او جراوند فولت، بنوع الهارمونكس الموجود. ايوه بنوع الهارمونكس الموجود. فاجمالا كل القواطع الجديده اللي نزل فيها نوع من هيدا بسموه ديفرنشال كويلز، يعني هي القواطع المتحسسه بتعمل مثل كومبيرنج، هل هي هارمونكس او هل هي ايرث فولت. فهيدي اجمالا بالقواطع الاي سي بي الجديده انحلت وموجوده بالكنترولر تبعنا. نعم موجوده.
تمام. انا
اللي هو الاي سي بي نكست اللي هو عم نعمل عليه السيمينار. اما الاي سي بي اللي عندنا اياها القديمه مش موجوده فيها، ولكنه التكنولوجيا الجديده تبع الاي سي بي وجدوا حل لها عبر الديفرنشال كويلز داخل الاي سي بي. فهو بيقدروا يميز نوع الهارمونيك اذا سكند او ثيرد او فورث هارمونيك او فيفث هارمونيك.
انا مش عايز اعرف نوع الهارمونيك، مش عايز اعرف نوع
الهارمونيك. هي الكويل لانه تقدر تميز الايرث فولت فروم نوع الهارمونيك. فبتعرف انه هيدا هو نوع الهارمونيك. نعم تمام. فموجوده. نعم موجوده بالقواطع اللي هي النكست جنريشن تبعنا اللي هو الاي سي بي نكست. نعم
طيب تمام. شكرا جزيلا.
ولا يهمك بالخدمه.
الله يكرمك.
اخواننا بعد في اي سؤال، اي توضيح، اي استفسار؟
Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, Victor, yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. I think we need to learn Arabic words.
اخوان، الحين المحاضره والتريننج خلص وتم تسجيلها بالكامل، وحارسل لكم المانيوال وكل المعلومات بالاضافه الى الفيديو عبر الايميل للجميع. وان شاء الله تكون المحاضره نالت اعجابكم. وكمان اذا في اي استفسار، نحن موجودين بالرياض وعندنا مكتب وعندنا شوروم كمان. اي استفسار، اي شيء، نحن جاهزين بالخدمه وبنتشكركم شكرا جزيلا على حضوركم للتمرين، وإن شاء الله تكون بادرة خير علينا وعليكم ويكون بيناتنا في تعامل أكثر، وشكرا لحضوركم. Okay, Victor, if you have any words, because there is no any questions still from our the engineers of SEC.
Okay, no problem. You can because we can share our presentation to you. On the presentation, I have the email and WeChat WhatsApp. You can contact directly to me or Mr. Wang. Also, direct if any question, I think direct to you. Yes, we are one team and solve this problem. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you everybody. شكرا جزيلا والسلام عليكم.
Yeah, sure. Oh, sorry. Wait for a moment.
Okay.
Mr. Wang will say something.
Okay, thank you. It's so nice to have these 2 hours with all these engineers and experts from SEC. So at the end, we also prepared a closing speech from our president, Ms. Lily Zhang. And let's play this video to our friends in SEC. Monica, please.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you very much, Mr. Wang. Thank you very much.
Maybe there's another video.
Thank you.
Another video?
Maybe another video.
Another video.
Hello, my dear participants. How about your training lessons? Do you enjoy the class? Actually, I have another good news for you. We will enlarge our office in Saudi Arabia because we want to give better and the best service to meet your requirement. From China to Saudi Arabia, millions of products and more than 15 years cooperation is just the start. And start from this year, we will have a new stage. I wish I will meet all of you very soon. I'm waiting you in China. See you. Enjoy.